Hello friends and welcome to Couples Kitchen. Today we will make tea cookies. To prepare this meal you will need 1 egg, 60 grams of sugar, 2 milliliters of vanilla aroma or any other aroma if you don't like vanilla, 30 milliliters of sunflower oil, 125 grams of wheat grits, 50 grams of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a little bit of grounded sugar and 8 grams vanilla sugar. First you will put in the egg, add oil and vanilla aroma. And then mix it all together. And while you mix, you will add gradually sugar. First you will add sugar and mix it. While you are mixing, you will add all other ingredients. First you will add vanilla sugar, then you will add coconut flour, wheat grits, and the last ingredient would be powdered sugar. And you will need to mix and add in all together. So now it's finished. Then you will need to oil up your hands a little bit so the mixture doesn't stick on your hands. Then you will take the mixture and roll it up so you will get size around one walnut. They need to be sized like walnut. And then you will put them in your dish, but you will need to be careful when you need to put some space between them because they tend to grow so they doesn't stick to each other. Now that you put your pan and your dish, you roll up so they can be in size like walnut, nothing more, and put them in your dish. This one is the biggest one. He is their boss. Before you put them in oven, you will need to sprinkle on top of them a little bit of grounded sugar. They look like this. And now we'll put them to bake for 10 minutes. So, these are the finished ones. They look like this. You can serve them with tea, milk or coffee. And if you like them to last you a longer time, you put them in a box and they will last you approximately 2 weeks, I think. And that is it. So, thank you for watching. If you are new around here, consider like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao.
Ciao!